If you are looking for a tool that will let you create beautiful sales pages, email opt-in pages, webinar sign-up pages, thank you pages, blog posts, even a stunning, custom-styled homepage, and more, then consider Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect is our drag-and-drop page-building plugin for WordPress, and in this video I'll be going over some of the key features that you just won't find with any other tool. Hi, I'm Christine with Thrive Themes. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I invite you to do so, and if you ring the bell, you'll be notified when we publish new videos. So we are really proud of Thrive Architect, which is our page building tool, because it has some really amazing features that you just won't find anywhere else. Now, other tools, you can get by with what they offer, but you may have to make some sacrifices as far as functionality, or in order to get the same functionality as Thrive Architect, sometimes you have to use workarounds and sometimes you have to use extra tools, or it just takes a really long time and a lot of clicking to accomplish what you want. And that's not really the ideal website building experience. Here at Thrive Themes, we want you to be able to build your business fast. So the features in Thrive Architect are meant to help you A, get conversions, and B, implement as quickly as possible. And that's what makes a lot of the features in Thrive Architect unique. Now, there's so many features that Thrive Architect has that other tools don't, that it would take quite some time to cover all of them. So in this video, we're just going to cover the main ones, and if you want to see more, be sure to let us know down in the comments. All right, so let's dive into things you can do in Thrive Architect that you can't really do or do easily in other tools. Number one, Thrive Architect comes with landing page sets. So when you create a marketing funnel, so let's say you want to create a lead generation funnel, that funnel is going to consist of multiple pages. You have a lead generation page where people will input their email address. Then you have a thank you or confirmation page telling people to check their email to confirm their sign up. Then if you've offered a opt-in bribe or lead magnet, then you will need a page where people can download your lead magnet. So that's 3 pages involved in this funnel. Imagine creating all 3 of those pages from scratch. It's doable, but it's time consuming. And so that is where the landing page sets in Thrive Architect come in. So let's take a look. I've started a new page in WordPress, and now I'm going to go ahead and launch Thrive Architect. We're going to create a pre-built landing page. And here are all of the landing page sets. As you can see, there are several different styles to choose from. So let's go ahead and let's choose one of these sets. I'll go ahead and choose this one. And here are all of the templates in this particular landing page set. If you look at the sidebar on the left, you can see that there's a home page template, there's an upsell page template, there's a confirmation page template, and plenty more. So when you put together a marketing funnel, the idea is that you'll choose a landing page set that you like the design of and use templates from that set for your entire funnel, and that way your design remains consistent. I'll go ahead and choose the lead generation template, and then click Apply Template. And now you can customize this page to your heart's content. You can change colors, fonts, you can add and remove elements, you can change spacing, and more. Next, Thrive Architect comes with smart color technology. So when you create a landing page such as this lead generation page, you'll see that it has its own color scheme. But what if the colors don't match your own brand colors? Instead of clicking on individual elements and changing colors individually, smart colors in Thrive Architect allow you to change the colors for the entire page in just a few clicks. So let's go to the central style panel on the right, and let's go ahead and change this main accent color. Let's make that orange. And now you can see that the other elements on this page automatically updated. This is a huge time saver when you're customizing your landing pages. Next, Thrive Architect also comes with landing page blocks. Blocks are an easy and fast way to add beautifully styled sections to your page that match the rest of your landing page template. So let's say you mostly like this landing page, but there's just one section that's missing and you really need it. You can easily add a block that matches this entire page by clicking on the blue plus sign that appears between sections, or you can go to the Add Element button and then click and drag the block element into place. So here are all of the blocks that match this landing page. As you can see, there are benefit and features blocks, there's steps blocks, there's contact form blocks, and lots more. Now, one thing I would like to show you is that when you add a block to your page, so let's go ahead and let's choose this one. As you can see, it automatically updated to use the smart colors that I chose for this page. So there's no need to constantly update the colors on new blocks that you've added. They will be updated for you. And if you change the smart colors on this page again, the new blocks that you've added will automatically change colors along with everything else. Now that is pretty smart. Next, Thrive Architect comes with exit intent lightboxes. Now this is a feature that even experienced Thrive Architect users might not know about. You can create an exit intent lightbox just for a particular page without needing Thrive leads. So here's an example. I've just loaded this page, and if I start to move my mouse toward the top of the page, then we're presented with a lead magnet offer. This is super easy to create. So I've got my landing page here. Let's go to Settings, and let's go to Advanced Settings, and let's go to Page Events. And let's start by selecting a trigger. So let's select Exit Intent. Let's go ahead and select Open Thrive Lightbox. And then if your selected landing page comes with a lightbox, it will be listed here. Or you can select Create a New Lightbox. Let's go ahead and click Save. And then you can go ahead and edit your lightbox. And from here you can customize the text, images, and colors. Now some pre-built landing page templates come with a pre-built lightbox template, while others just have a blank lightbox. You can always insert a block like the ones we looked at in the previous example to create a custom design quickly. And remember, this lightbox is just for this particular page. If you're interested in placing a lightbox on more than one page, or if you want a different kind of opt-in, like a ribbon at the top of the page or a widget in your sidebar, or maybe one that's displayed at the bottom of every blog post, then be sure to check out Thrive Leads, which is our lead generation plugin. Next, Thrive Architect comes with element templates. So you might see that other tools out there come with similar elements as Thrive Architect. For example, other tools might have a lead generation element or a table of contents element. But what's unique about the lead generation element in Thrive Architect is that it also comes with templates so that you don't have to design everything yourself. So let's go ahead and add a lead generation element to this page. I'll go to the Add Element button, and let's search for the lead generation element. I'll simply click and drag that into place. Now let's go ahead and filter just for opt-in form templates. As you can see, there's several opt-in forms to choose from. Let's go ahead and use this one. And you'll notice that thanks to smart colors, the color of this button automatically updated to match the colors on this page. Now, if you would like to further customize this form, simply go to the Main Options tab, click on Edit Form Elements, and now you can change colors, fonts, borders, and more. Next, if you're not a programmer, don't worry, there's no coding or CSS needed. There's quite a few things that in other tools you would definitely need to use CSS to accomplish, but not with Thrive Architect. Some elements like the toggle element are completely built for you, and all you have to do is add your own content. Other elements like the button element have CSS animation options, so all you have to do is select the one you want. So let's go ahead and take a look. For example, let's say you would like this button here to animate when someone hovers over it. That's super easy to do. Let's go ahead and select this button. Then let's go to the hover state. Then let's go to animation and action, and let's go ahead and add a CSS animation. And as you can see, there's several different animations to choose from. Let's choose this one, and let's click Apply. And let's go ahead and save and preview. And here is what that animation looks like. It was so easy, all it took was a few clicks. Next, Thrive Architect landing pages have smart mockups. So here is a pre-built landing page from the Hydrogen landing page set. And here is a cluster of devices that's meant to show what your online course, ebook, or video training might look like on a device. If you're an online entrepreneur, you will definitely find these smart mockups handy. Now, with a lot of other tools, when you see a mockup like this, it has to be done in Photoshop, which is a huge pain if you're not a graphic designer. You either have to figure out how to do this yourself, or you have to hire someone to do it for you. But in Thrive Architect, these mockups are ready to go, and all you have to do is replace these images with your own, and it's super easy. Simply click on an image. Then in the Main Options tab, click Replace Image, and then if you have to upload a file, you can do so, or you can choose something from your media library. So as you can see, it's super easy to work with these smart mockups. Now, one thing that's really very cool about this is that you can choose an image of any aspect ratio, and it will be sized to fit within these device screens. So I'll show you really quick. Let's go ahead and select this image, and let's go ahead and replace it. Let's replace it with this image. And as you can see, this is a portrait orientation image, but it's going to work anyway. So let's go ahead and insert that. And then if you need to slide this image around a little bit, you can simply go to the Background Style tab, click on the image, and then you can click to slide this image up or down, or you can use the dots in the positioning square to position your image. All right, so those are some of the coolest features that come with Thrive Architect that you would be hard-pressed to find anywhere else. If you would like to see more of these awesome features, let us know down in the comments. You can get Thrive Architect and the rest of our tools when you buy Thrive Suite. Click the link down in the description to learn more. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.